Billy Maise here. Are you tired of sweeping your floor? Well, friend, tire no more. Ah! Well, thanks to our friends at Mechatronics, you don't have to worry no more. Thanks to the amazing Suckbot. Notice how it moves along the floor and it sweeps up anything in its way. Ah! Look! It's bleeding! It's that powerful. And it also sucks it up too. Your days of cleaning the floor are over. And notice how it turns around. We'll work that out later. Alright. Look as it sweeps the floor. Not only does it sweep, but it vacuums as well. Look how clean that floor is. That is a clean floor. Clean! All you have to do is switch the sweeper on and plug the batteries in. And it goes. And look, it also turns. See? It turns. And it sweeps and vacuums once again.
And particles around with it.
This is Billy Maise, and now we're going to go to our panel of experts to explain how it works.
In designing this, we used 20 gauge cold rolled steel and welded it all together and came up with a pulley system to run the sweeper.
And for this clever paint job, we used blue spray paint with a flame stencil, and for our license plate, we went down to the federal penitentiary in South Dakota and got one custom made. And now a special message from our programmer.
Yes, so our general algorithm for this was that it has a frontal sensor. First, there's a toggle switch in back, and if it's set to sweep, the frontal distance sensor, the sharp distance sensor, obtains information about objects that might be in front of it. That information is sent to the PIC processor in our PEL 4, and it's then sent and controlled by the H-bridge and the motors. And if there's a wall in front of the distance sensor, up to a certain point, it will turn 90 degrees, go forward a little bit, and then turn another 90 degrees and head back in order to sweep. For electrical systems.
I have no clue. What? Wait a minute. That doesn't look right.
Okay, and for the electrical of this, we have a toggle switch in the back here that's tied to the PEL 4, and we have an if statement in the program, which Marcus just explained, telling you whether it's in maze mode or sweep mode. And then from that, I guess we have a vacuum on the back, as you can see, and this is constructed with a 80mm computer fan, and we just put a hole in the back and it vents out, and it sucks it up that way. And along with all that, we have a big motor up here that is hooked to a pulley system, so when the motor rotates, it rotates these wheels, which rotates the brush on the front.
Well, friend, as you can see, the Shagbot is obviously superior to the broom. So get rid of your broom and get a Shagbot. And as final proof of concept,
The voltage through this thing, it will literally kill a cat.